The Ford Maverick community has been transforming this compact truck into something far more capable than anyone expected. That movement has now inspired a factory-backed performance answer. This is the Maverick 300T. Revealed for SEMA 2025, the Maverick 300T borrows its turbocharger from the 2.3-liter EcoBoost Mustang, boosting output to an estimated 300 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. A larger 59mm compressor wheel, a high-capacity Misimoto intercooler and ProCal 4 tuning deliver stronger, more consistent power on the street or under load. The upgrades continue with performance-tuned suspension, 20-inch wheels and a lowered stance, giving the Maverick sharper handling and a more assertive presence. Black and Brown's appearance packages, Ford Performance badging and unique 300T graphics finish the look. Designed for Maverick models equipped with the 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine, this upgrade package is expected to be available from Ford Performance in 2026. The Maverick 300T shows what happens when a community's creativity meets factory engineering.